guys, so today I'm playing Baldi's Basics. So here it is. So here it comes. Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. Let's go to menu. How to play. Options. Oh no! School is out, but your friend has a problem. He left all his notebooks in school, but he doesn't have time to go get them. Because if he does, he'll be late for eating practice. To help him out, you have to go back in the school and find all his notebooks for him. It won't be easy though. Baldi loves challenging his students with fun trivia problems whenever he can. Each time you find a notebook, you'll have to answer some questions. To win the game, you must find 7 notebooks and then exit the school. You have to have fun too, of course. Let's go back. Here's, it's the intro. It looks amazing. Yum, historicality, A+, and then 1, 2, question mark 4, question mark 6. Story mode. Collect all 7 notebooks and then exit the school to win. I'm gonna pick this. This will be fun. Here it is. Okay, he said, "Oh, hi, welcome to my schoolhouse." Pick on that. Thank you, Sir Baldi. Thank you, Baldi. You led me through. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to pretend that I'm actually a real student. Sorry, I just messed up for a moment. Here is the notebook. Okay, so 0 minus 5. Okay, I'm actually going, I'm gonna, Problem 1. 0 minus 5. So 0 minus 5. Okay. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. I don't even know that. Negative 5. Okay. Yes. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. Ooh, it's negative 3. Negative 3. Negative 3. Yes! Oh no, this is the hardest. 4 minus 7. Negative 3 still? Yes! Okay, I think we did it. A shiny quarter. You gotta control yourself because you're actually the player. You're the player. Here it is. Okay. Use that. Okay, thank you, Baldi. Thank you. So we're gonna search for more Baldi games. Yeah, there will be a very hard and glitched question. You can think that this is the 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6. Okay, so 6 minus 6. Guys, careful. 6 minus 6. I always forgot. 0. Yes, I did it. Jeez, it's 9. I hate this. Why is it? I'm scared. Sorry, guys. Okay. So, there's something. Okay, guys. I'm really scared. Okay. Sorry, guys. Bye.